noodles, but just like in a Japanese restaurant, in only 25 minutes. Konnichiwa friends, you're on my channel. Here I share recipes for simple and not so simple dishes. Today we're going to cook noodles that you've probably seen 1,000 times on your city streets. And why is that? Because they're simple to prepare, delicious, and packed with many essential nutrients. With my signature recipe, you'll get an incredibly delicious and flavorful dish that'll let you have a satisfying quick snack or completely surprise your beloved family and friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Your subscription truly helps the channel grow, and it makes me feel very happy and motivated to create more content for you. For this recipe, you will need udon noodles, chicken fillet, bell pepper, onion, garlic, green onions, carrot, spices to taste, vegetable oil, toasted sesame seeds, and 2 types of sauces, soy sauce and teriyaki sauce. Cut the chicken breast into small strips. Heat the pan well, pour in the vegetable oil, then add the pieces of chicken and fry for 5 minutes over medium heat until golden, stirring occasionally. Season with salt and pepper. Peel and chop the onion. Add the onion to the chicken and sauté for 2 minutes over medium heat. Peel the carrot and cut it into thin, long strips. Add the carrot to the pan with the chicken and onion. Sauté for another 2 minutes. In a pot, heat water, add salt, and cook the udon noodles according to the instructions on the package. Here's a very useful life hack for cooking udon noodles. After cooking, make sure you thoroughly rinse the noodles in chilled running water. This simple step will help remove any excess stickiness, and your noodles won't look like a gummy mass. Remove the seeds from the bell pepper and cut it into lengthwise strips. Add the bell pepper to the pan and sauté for 1 minute over medium heat. Peel and finely chop the garlic. Add it to the pan and stir. Add the soy sauce and teriyaki sauce and mix well. Add salt to taste and 100 milliliters of water to the pan. Stir and cover with a lid. Simmer the chicken with vegetables in the sauce for 1 minute. Add the noodles to the pan with the chicken and vegetables. Mix thoroughly. Cover with a lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes over low heat. Turn off the stove, add the chopped green onion to the pan, then sprinkle sesame seeds on top and mix. Udon noodles with chicken and vegetables in teriyaki sauce are ready. Enjoy your meal. Unfortunately, I don't have the traditional takeaway container that udon is typically served in on the streets. But as you can clearly see right here in front of me, the finished dish has vibrant colors and a truly wonderful aroma. If something is not working out quite right with the recipe, you can write in the comments section, and we will definitely answer all of your questions. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye for now. While you are here, please take a moment to check out these other great videos that YouTube has specially recommended just for you.